Hello everyone, I'm Shiko Yulia, and today this video about Power BI and how we can use Power BI. In general, Power BI it's tools for business analytics, and Microsoft defined it like Power BI is Microsoft Business Analytics platform that help you turn into actionable insights. But Power BI besides business, we can use in other areas. I show some diagrams that we can use in other areas. This map it's famous of diagram in Power BI, and often it show in business analytics, it show customer by country, supplier by country, or maybe sales other products by country, by regions. But also this map we can use in medicine, for example. I think it's famous map about distribution of coronavirus. And in medicine, we use Power BI map for to show how distribution some diseases. For this, we can use diagram maps and play axis. Play axis add some motion. And this example is distribution of avian flu by US state. Now we can show how it looks in Power BI. Here we can see for this diagram we use map and play axis. Play axis show diseases distribution by months and year, and when we play, it change here change date and data also change. Here we can see change date and changes diseases. Okay, next. And next diagram, it is heat map visual. It's also popular diagram. This intensive of color show some amounts by years and months. This map we can use in this diagram we can use in medicine, and here we can see also diseases distribution by countries and by years. For this visualization, we can use heat map visual. And this also we can see distribution of Ebola by years and countries. Next diagram, it's Tornado. In business, Tornado used for to show product sales by regions, for example, by country and other purposes. But also, Power BI has special diagram. With this type of diagram, we can show a population pyramid. Population pyramid shows the distribution of population by age and sex. Here we can see population pyramid. It's special diagram. It's used in sociology. And this we can see population pyramid of Kazakhstan. For this data, we need age and gender into account. Next diagram is trees. Power BI also has a lot of types of trees. In business, it's we can use it when we need some amount, divide by years, by quarters, by months, for example. And here we can see Power BI has family tree, it's special tree, maybe used in biology, for example, and also decomposition tree. This type, like in previous diagram, this decomposition tree. This type diagram we can use in biology, history, for example, for systematic of plants and animals. Here we can see family and divided by species. In history, we can use it maybe for show rulers, some countries, and how we see Power BI can used not only for business analytic and also in medicine, biology, history, sociology, and other areas.